Okay, so this all came in today as well. This is the Gamma K Pegasus key switch. These are the womier keycap sets. These are supposed to be MOA style, yeah. They're all wood, supposedly, texture. And then this is the Sea-Doo Alice version of a wireless keyboard. So this is first unboxing. This is the first time ever trying to do any kind of anything with customized keyboards. So it doesn't look too bad, honestly. Comes with its own little thing over there for a yeah, what's that called? Instruction set, manual thing. This is what it looks like so far. It actually feels pretty nice. It's all plastic apparently, but actually feels pretty okay for what it's worth. And it's a little light, but not too light. It's got two different settings, it looks like. Hey, there's my dongle. Sweet. Alright. Chose the Gamma K because they are Pegasus, because they are supposed to be very, very silent. They're pre-lubed. Come in a pretty nice little box. Looks like, anyways. Alright. I don't think I'll be recording putting this together. Just because if anything goes wrong, I don't want to record that. Yeah, that's standard. Guys, you cannot see any of my mistakes. There were no bad things here. Nothing at all happened at all. Nothing even slightly. Not even a slight bit. Not even a little. Alright, so already ripped. Okay, great. Well, the box might not be up to snuff to my fingernail. Strong fingernails. But hey, that doesn't mean anything. Not really, realistically. These are not too shabby looking. They're a little dull. Might want to shine them up compared to what they were in the pictures. Of course, then that's my fingers. I'm sure I'll get greasy Cheeto. I don't do Cheetos. Yeah, whoever said Cheeto things was a thing. I don't do that. And that allows for me to get probably everything I need. You know, it's probably... I tried to get an Alice one. There's no MOA Alice ones. And these are not double shot, but they are apparently reverse. Fucking the thing, you know, ablation, whatever it's called. Right, they heat it up and they put it on it. And mold. That thing. It was between this and a double shot of something I really, you know, I like the keycap design-ish, but it wasn't really quite doing it for me. So I was like, you know what, this is probably all I've got. Bringing this back out as that drops, of course, on the screen. I didn't see that. Alright, so I got this. It's hidden behind the thing, of course. You know, standard stuff. Do some whisking, you know, just that's what that is really for. It's for whisks. Yep. For whisks. Gotta get your eggs. Anyways, that should be about it for all that. They look fairly good. I gotta say, see here if I can take one of these bad boys out before we get too far here for the keycaps. Alright. Yep. Here, I had to bring that all the way up to my ear. I don't really hear it. And that's what I'm looking for. They're supposed to be tactile. Actually, they're linear. I wanted to get a tactile. There is no tactile. Fucking silent ass keycaps. They don't exist. I want to get laser optical ones because it's supposed to have less, you know, delay. Couldn't find those fuckers. It's all a bunch of compromise. Like these keycaps instead of the key switches. I mean, you know, these no shine through, no pass through, nothing at all. Nothing. Not even a little bit. They look like they'll feel really pretty good. Yeah, so like that's good. Wanted domes. Can't find domes. Anyways, talk to you later. That's right. It had every single fucking keycap correct on the. This is the womier keyboard. It had the all the necessary. They're all correctly labeled. Every one of them is right. Even if you can't really quite see it. See here, I forget which one it is. This one. This one is actually a function key. Even though it doesn't sound like it. Because of course it does not function. That's the Pegasus. They are apparently a little tactile. You could barely feel it. Feels quite a bit more linear. That's what they sound like. They're the Pegasus Gamma K. You know, tactile, very silent. That's why, because I like the clicky blues, the tactile, clicky tactile razors. Can't find those fuckers. They don't exist. They're not real. Just think they're not real. Anyways, there you go.